So back in Canada, we're headed down east. So we're headed to New Brunswick, but we will stop for a couple nights in Quebec City. We're on our way to see our grandson. Can't wait. So this sucks because we are on our way to Quebec for 2 days and we just had a blowout. Just had a blowout on the side of the 401, which traffic is kind of insane. Corey's just trying to get the tire changed. It did quite a bit of damage underneath the RV, but hopefully we can safely get to where we're going until we can get it fixed. This was the scariest thing that we've had happen. Not fun. This was our tire after the blowout. Not good.
All right, so we got the tire changed. We're back on the road. We're mobile. There was a rest area just a couple kilometers down the road. So we pulled over here, and I think Tina told you we were headed to Quebec City. That's a few hundred miles away still, and we don't really like the idea of driving that far without a spare tire. God forbid that this should happen again and we were left with flat and no spare. That would be a much worse situation. We're just east of Kingston right now. We called a number of RV dealers and tire places to see if anybody had any tires in stock. Nobody around here does. So today's Monday. We did find one place that said they could get a set of tires ordered for us, and they'll be delivered tomorrow, so Tuesday. And they told us to come first thing Wednesday morning. Be there for 8 a.m. Luckily there was a KOA which is not far from here, so I just booked that one. Wednesday we'll get the tires changed. We are going to do all 4 tires at once. We're not going to mess around with just one. The tires that we have on there now, they're Castle Rocks. You may have heard the term China Bomb before. I would say those tires probably have about 5,000 miles on them, so I guess things are working out as good as can be expected or hoped for. Once Tina gets back, we're going to head to this KOA. We'll set up there. This is an ungodly hour to be awake at. We do not normally get up at this time of day. But we got to hitch up and get ready. Pull this thing to the tire place so that we can get these tires done today. I know a lot of people in the RV community. You guys are early risers. You're hitched up. You're on the road at 7 o'clock in the morning. We are not those people. When we check out of a campground, we're typically pushing the final checkout time. If it's 11, 12, 1, it doesn't matter. We're going to use up most of the time that they give us because we're a little bit slower in the mornings. We're not morning people. And who is? Like, come on, guys. Why are you up so early? Anyways, I envy you guys that can do it. We can't. Everything's pretty much packed up. We didn't have to really unpack anything. So we don't have to do too much work. Just bring the slides in. And then we're coming back to KOA again tonight. Once we get the tires on, we'll come back here, regroup, get ready to leave hopefully tomorrow. Let's go. I'm tired.
Today we are at Canada's Penitentiary Museum in Kingston, Ontario. We were going to go and visit the actual penitentiary, which is across the street. However, we didn't think that you would have to buy reserved tickets, but the tour is sold out for today. So we do have our tickets for tomorrow. So today we're just going to show you guys the actual museum for the penitentiary, and tomorrow we'll show you guys the penitentiary.
The museum is housed in the former home of the warden at Kingston Pen, and it is directly across the street from the penitentiary. As an added bonus, guys, this museum is free of charge. They do accept donations, so if you enjoy it, maybe leave a couple bucks. They have all kinds of artifacts in the museum dating back to the early 1800s, depicting what prison life was like, going back nearly 200 years in this country.
They get their sunlight. Coming out into the yard.
Each range has a sliding barrier at the end of the range. It's controlled by this control center.
That's so creepy.
So guys, unexpected detour to Kingston. We weren't planning on coming to visit, but it worked out. I mean, you got to be a little bit flexible when you're RVing. Stuff's gonna come up sometimes. Important thing is just stay calm and make the best of whatever situation you find yourself in. We weren't planning on coming here to Kingston, but hey, life happens, and if you make the best of it, you end up somewhere here, somewhere new that we've never seen. We got to get out and explore Kingston a little bit. Took some time. We stopped at Fort Henry, which is located near the military college. We went to a park, we did the museum and the penitentiary. Everything was great. We really enjoyed our time here in Kingston. It seems like it's a beautiful city. We may have to come back and explore it a little more. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe. You know the routine. It really helps us out with the channel, and we really appreciate the support. So it's free to subscribe, it's free to like, and go ahead, click all those buttons that you know we want you to click, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.
Bye-bye.